Hey everyone, I hope you all doing great. In this video, I'll show you how to generate amazing AI videos for free without purchasing any paid subscription. So let's jump right in. First open Digen AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you will see an interface like this. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and sign up using your email address or simply continue with your Google account. After signing up, you will be taken to the dashboard, which looks something like this. Now, click on the Create button located in the top menu bar. A new window will open and you will see an interface like this. Next, upload the reference image you want to use for your video. And for the prompt, you can use ChatGPT to generate one. I'm using my own prompt in this video, but you can create a custom prompt based on the type of the video you want to make. So once the prompt will be generated, simply copy your prompt and paste the prompt into Digen AI and then click the generate video button. And that's it. Digen AI will start generating your AI video based on your prompt and image. You will also receive 300 free credits for the video generation when you sign up. As you can see, the video generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. So there's no need to worry. And there you go, our first AI generated video is ready. You can see it was created exactly according to the prompt and reference image we provided. With the help of this free tool, you can create multiple AI videos without spending money on any paid subscription. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and exciting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye for now.